Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, we will be mixing some muted pastel colors. I just love making pastels because they're very calm colors that make me feel relaxed. If color mixing is something that you'd like to learn, stick around. So first, let us prep our work area first. I work on a glass mat, so to clean it, I just spritz it with some alcohol and wipe it down thoroughly. Once it's clean, let's bring out our colors. Let's make Sweet Stone, Bliss, Honeydew, Rainy Day, and Soft Moss. I'm also bringing out my clay roller and a circular cutter. For the first color, let's make Bliss. Flatten into the thickest setting of your roller some Sculpey Primo in white and Sculpey Primo in terracotta. Then cut 2 equal circles. You can actually use any shaped cutter as long as you are consistent in using the same thickness and the same size. Cut the terracotta into fourths and use 3/4 to mix with your white. Condition until the colors are fully incorporated. As you can see, I wiped down my mat in between mixing because we're doing colors and I don't want any other color to get into my clay. For the next color, let's bring out some Sculpey Primo in white, Sculpey Primo in terracotta, and Sculpey Souffle in latte. Again, let's flatten out each of the colors in the same thickness setting on our rollers. Then punch out 3 circles. Cut the latte into fourths and the terracotta into eighths. Now get an eighth of the terracotta and a fourth of the latte and mix it with the white. And there you have it, Sweet Stone. For the third color, let's make some Honeydew. Bring out some Sculpey Primo in white, Sculpey Souffle in pumpkin orange, and Sculpey Primo in terracotta. Roll out all of your colors and punch out 3 circles. Cut the pumpkin orange into fourths and the terracotta into fourths as well. Mix 1 part white, 1/4 pumpkin orange, and 1/4 terracotta, and you will end up with Honeydew. Moving on to the fourth color, let's bring out Sculpey Primo in white, Sculpey Primo in pastel blue, and Sculpey Primo in black. Roll out the 3 colors into the same thickness and punch 3 circles. Cut the black and the pastel blue in eighths. Place 1/8 of the black and the blue onto the white and mix. You can actually stop with this color, but as I am planning to use this as my main slab, I decided to mix in 1 part grade granite to give this some texture. And for the final color, let's make soft moss. Bring out the scalpy in white, scalpy souffle in latte, and scalpy in Spanish olive. Cut the latte into fourths and the Spanish olive into eighths. Mix 1 part each with the white. Let's see the colors that we've made again. We have Sweet Stone, Bliss, Honeydew, Rainy Day, and Soft Moss. This is the other slab that I ended up making using these colors, and I'll be sharing a tutorial on this for next weekend. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!